If you want to use Sound Equalizer of your Sennheiser MOMENTUM 4, first of all you have to open this equalizer right here, so click on the edit button. And first of all we've got this custom preset that we can rename. Then click down to confirm. And under we can find two options. We can turn on the bass boost and turn on the podcast to enhance the speech clarity. But when you do this, you will unlock these sliders. So to unlock them, click here, and with the sliders you can adjust the equalizer to your own preferences, like this. And if you want to save, just click here and tap OK. Now when you go back, it was set up, but you can also create the new preset by tapping just right here. And when you click on the equalizer presets, you can also find all of them in this place. So I just show you that here we can find few default presets, and here we've got the custom one that you actually set up. If you want to switch between the presets, for sure you just have to click on the presets and select, for example, this one. And right now you've got the name of the currently activated preset. And right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.